I am going to let my sister try this Unspeakable Fruit Blocks Sour with a blind test. I'm gonna let her tell if it's an apple, strawberry, and watermelon, and how sour it is from 1 to 10 or 1 to 5. Okay, so that's how it looks like. So I don't know which one is which. So I don't know. Let's get bewitched. Oh, while we're waiting, I'm gonna flex this one as seen on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna let her close her eyes so she doesn't know which one is it.
What? I'm scared.
Oh. No, it's just 3 flavors. You're gonna tell me what it tastes like. Okay, close your eyes first. Okay,
Wait, what am I gonna do?
you're gonna taste. Okay. Okay, this one first. Oh yeah, me too. I need to taste it too. What flavor?
Lemon?
I think this is lighter than this one. Yeah, that's obvious. Okay. So wait. Wait. Okay. Open your eyes. Honest review, guys. Sorry. Sorry, this is not scripted.
Oh, watermelon.
Okay.
Huh?
Ding.
How come watermelon is way sour than
Wait,
the first one?
with the sour level, how's the first one? That one is apple.
This one is
Watermelon.
the first one was manageable.
From
Level sour?
Or 1 to 5 to make 2. Oh, okay. Not sour at all. About
This one?
1 to 5.
First taste 4. But then after that, it's like 1.
Okay, we're gonna do this darker one. Okay.
Is the intensity going higher and higher?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. This is my first time to taste it.
This is 1.
Okay. What do you think is it? It's hard to tell. Okay. So it is the strawberry. Yeah. So, okay guys, according with the level and with my sister's honest taste buds, thank you. I think this is good for beginners who would like a sour.
It's not that sour.
Yeah, it's very, thank you.
Manageable.
Okay, so we're going to leave the link below. So grab yours on the orange basket and see you in our next video.